But Bolovinaka, we're very happy to have you back here in Fiji for what once again proved to be a thrilling night for Super Rugby fans here, back in New Zealand and of course around the world. I want to, on behalf of Fijians everywhere, I can say that it has truly been a joy to host the Gallagher Chiefs for this home game, as you took on the BNZ Crusaders, of course, for a rematch of the very first Investec rugby match that was held in Suva back in 2016. Congratulations to both teams for a hard-fought match, and of course to the Waikato Chiefs for your big win. Thank you. To both teams, your time in Fiji have been short, but it probably hasn't taken you long to realize that your impact here goes far beyond the rugby field. The greatest impact of having superstars like the Chiefs and Crusaders in Fiji doesn't come from points on the board. It comes from the inspiration that you instill in our people, particularly the young rugby fans who look up to you with such admiration. That's why I'm particularly proud of the off-the-field outreach that we witnessed in the days prior to this match, by taking the time to interact with fans, signing autographs, and visiting our schools. Your presence will be felt here among our people long after you return back to New Zealand. There's something special and almost indescribable about the energy that this match brings to our country every year. It's probably unlike any that you'll ever play, and I'm confident that it can be traced directly back to the sense of awed excitement that Fijians have when they get to see you in person. Know that those Fijian boys and girls watch you with great respect, and that your footprint here is large and it is lasting. But you've spent your time in Fiji using your celebrity as platform for good. Simple acts like the Chiefs planting mangroves at the Pacific Harbour Multicultural School have made you true ambassadors for Fiji. Thank you. True ambassadors for Fiji, and shown that you share a common commitment with my government's vision for a more sustainable future. I ask that you continue to carry the same attitude with the youth throughout your professional rugby careers and beyond. You can leave Fiji knowing that you have undoubtedly inspired young Fijian boys and girls who are watching, maybe here in Suva or far across the nation in a rural community, to pursue rugby with renewed passion, to follow a healthier and more active lifestyles, to chase the dream that each of you have achieved. And for that, I thank you. I hope that this feeling proves to be mutual in your time here in Fiji, and that the Fijian hospitality you experience will stay with you the rest of your lives. Thank you again for making this a match to remember. I want to special acknowledgement to wrap up. I would like to extend a special round of thanks to all those who made today's match possible. Thank you for the international rugby community for the support they've given to Fiji, allowing us to host this match for the 4th year running. Thank you to the match promoters. Thank you to both teams for an excellent display of 15th rugby tournament. Thank you to the steering committee and secretariat for their hard work to coordinate an event of this scale. And thank you all to the government ministries, agencies and schools that participated. Thank you to all the local partners for both your financial support and your role in delivering a well-run event. Thank you to all local media partners for helping share this captivating event with audiences across Fiji and of course around the world. Thank you to the 250 generous volunteers who put in the hard hours to help our secretariat deliver another historic match in Fiji. And finally, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, thank you to all the spectators and fans who watched from home, and a big wilaya to those attended in person, bringing a passion that, as always, created a fantastic atmosphere at the ANZ Stadium in Suva. God bless you all. Thank you.